Here I have iMovie running. I've started a new project and a new event, and I want to use some just images instead of video. Over here on the side on my desktop I have 3 images, and I'm just going to drag them into my project, get the little green bar, and drop them there. Alright, now notice that these 3 images are completely different shapes. So by pulling down the little wheel there, I can go to cropping, Ken Burns, and rotation. Now, the Ken Burns effect is that zooming effect, and we'll deal with it in a minute. But let's say I just want all these images to fit in my screen. I can come over here and click on Fit and do Done, and then do that for each of my images. And then that'll force them to all fit in the frame. So then when I run the video, each of those images will fit nicely in the frame. There'll be little black areas on the side, but the entire image will be shown in the frame. Now, the Ken Burns effect is named after the famous filmmaker who used the idea of moving the camera on a still picture in his Civil War video to make a still picture appear to have motion. And you can do that here. I'm going to click back on Ken Burns effect, and you get 2 little rectangles that you can move around and change their size. One will say end and one will say start. So for example, I've got the red one, which is the end. If I get on the edge of it, I can change its size. If I get in the middle, I can move it around. So I could, for instance, take my end frame and get it on my space shuttle here. It's always going to stay with that 4x3 size. And then on my other one, I could set it like that, so it's going to zoom in on the space shuttle. So then when I run that frame, it's going to zoom in on the space shuttle. Now you can also adjust the time of those that frame is going to be on there with the wheel again and clip adjustments. Duration here, you can set that to be whatever you want. So if you're making a video where you're going to talk for 20 seconds over one frame and 8 seconds over another, you can select that and change this time.